How to make money by playing video games. Do you want to earn money easily without leaving your passion? If your passion includes playing video games, then we have a definite answer to this question. Welcome to our YouTube channel, and in today's video, we are going to tell you about how to make money by playing video games online. We will explore the fantastic platform of Playtest Cloud, which provides ample opportunities for game makers to test their games and gamers to earn money just by playing new video games along with sharing their opinion and feedback. So without any further delay, let's dive deep into the gaming world. Playtest Cloud is the solution for all doubts, difficulties, and problems related to playtesting a new game. It helps the game makers by providing a foolproof platform with verified gamers who will test their games. The greatest USP of Playtest Cloud is that it gives a unique opportunity to the game makers to test their games at any stage they wish. The provision of testing mobile games during the 4 successive phases of prototyping, development, soft launch, and post-release is what attracts global top gaming brands. With Playtest Cloud, you can test the top-notch 45 games out of the glorious slab of 100 best games. The wide range of world-class service, premium quality tech and non-tech support, and mind-boggling offers have transformed Playtest Cloud to be the #1 game testing platform trusted by War Mobile Games, Wooga, Nordeus, SMG, Apps, Game Duel, and a lot more well-known developers, producers, gaming websites, gaming designers, and graphic artists. To become a playtester, you need to open the official website of Playtest Cloud by searching for the name Playtest Cloud in Google. The very first result will include the official website link. For your convenience, we have included the link in the description box below, so just click on the link to land straight on the official website of Playtest Cloud. There you will get some key information about the company and how it operates. From the logos of world-famous companies which use this platform to test their games, you will be more than convinced about the authenticity and reach of Playtest Cloud. You have to click the sign up button highlighted in the yellow colored bar in order to initiate the process of registration as a gamer and playtester. After clicking the sign up bar, you will be moved forward to 2 options, game makers and gamers, from which you have to click the gamer option. Next, a registration form will appear which you need to fill up accurately with all the required details like your name, email, gender, nationality, date of birth, most played games, gaming devices, and more. You need to keep in mind that currently Playtest Cloud is allowing the citizens of the US, UK, and Canada to register as playtesters. After filling in all the details carefully, you must tick both the checkboxes containing confirmation of going through the terms of service and privacy policy along with the consent to receiving monthly news about new playtesting and new games. After that, just click on the tab Start Playtesting highlighted in yellow color to complete your registration process. Just beneath that yellow tab, there are a lot of FAQs related to the platform of Playtest Cloud, how to become a playtester, payment time and method, usable devices, account management, receiving new playtests, security and privacy, and a lot more vital questions. If you want to get yourself acquainted with the platform and the work profile well before filling out the registration form, you are free to click at any of the questions to see the detailed answers. This FAQ portion is very carefully designed so that not an iota of confusion or doubt is left within you. Moreover, you can visit the Facebook page of the company and also view remarks by other playtesters to get a genuine understanding. Once you are done with the registration process, you will receive an official email from Playtest Cloud on your registered mail ID, the same as you provided while filling out the form, which can be treated as welcome mail. It includes several guidelines about how to record an impressive playtesting video. You're informed through this mail to record a 5-minute-long playtesting video which is unpaid and should be considered purely for demo purposes. After submitting this demo video, a team will examine it thoroughly, and if it passes the standard measures, you will be rendered a verified playtester profile and will receive further videos which will undoubtedly pay you a handsome remuneration rate of $9 per 15 minutes of testing video. That means once you become a game tester, you will enjoy the facilities of trying out new and exciting games for free, along with the added bonus of earning a potential of $36 for each hour of playtesting output. But if you unfortunately fail to qualify for their standard check, don't worry at all because they provide more chances to reappear of the test. You will also get suggestions and guidance on how to improve the quality of your playtesting videos so that the next time you are sure to win the race. To qualify for the test in one go, you must maintain some crucial aspects like thinking out loud during your gameplay, delivering a real-time commentary about how you are feeling about the game, not losing focus, feeling motivated, and sharing the goals you have set for the game. You will find all these guides in detail in the welcome mail. Still, If you have any queries, you can contact the support team and the community manager on the given mail ID, and you can ask for feedback on your playtesting videos as well. You can easily check the homepage of the official website of Playtest Cloud to get an overview of the whole work process of this platform. This is necessary for you to understand what it demands from your side as a game tester and what facilities it seeks to offer in exchange for your service. Actually, the whole idea of playtesting has derived from the dire requirements of gaining authentic user feedback so that game developers may understand the areas of improvement in the game build. This leads to the appearance of a better and more updated version of the existing game, which escalates the gaming experience and draws optimum user satisfaction. This means an increasing amount of game consumption, and the more people play a game, the more the wallet of the game maker swells. Since the gaming industry is a multi-billion-dollar enterprise, it is one of the fastest-growing sectors, which will definitely grasp the lion's share of the business module of tomorrow. The future commercial market will heavily depend on the effective application of multiverse, digital gaming, mixed reality, and AI, and so the video gaming industry is going to pluck tons and tons of wealth in the near future. To ace the competition and to provide a world-class user experience with minimal dissatisfaction issues, gaming companies obviously need primary feedback about how players are liking the game, which features are favored or criticized by them, and what improvement they desire to see. All these things can be obtained in an organized manner along with expert suggestions and professional guidance, and spending $36 per hour is no big deal if the income of $1 billion is one's long-term goal. That is why Playtest Cloud has been used by the top-rated gaming brands across the globe, and your chance of earning while playing multiplies since numerous gaming companies are coming up with lots of new gaming ideas and prototypes about which they need feedback. Playtest Cloud has been very judicious in providing game makers facilities like video-recorded gameplay, transcripts, survey reports, chance to understand player reactions during soft launch, and test new features after the global launch. This has made hundreds of top companies join this platform and invest more and more money. So if you got a passion for gaming and can think out loud your feedback and opinions about the gaming experience in an organized manner, this platform is definitely for you. It also offers additional advantages like multiplayer testing within a single time window or many short sessions, no need for custom code sign-in, provisioning, or Apple Enterprise's certificate to upload any game build, and expert guidance about delivering masterclass feedback. If this is not the best place and time to cash in your gaming mania, I wonder what better option can be available ever. So how do you like this idea of making money by playing video games online, and when are you planning to start this? Kindly let us know by commenting down below along with a mention of the best part of today's video. Like and share this video with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any video from us. Stay tuned for more interesting videos coming right away. Thank you for your love and support, guys. See you in the next video. Goodbye.